Hi, welcome back to the channel. So today is our first nice day. It's almost spring. It's March the 8th and we've got really nice temperatures today, 10 plus. So we're going to take advantage of that and tap some of our maple trees, get some maple syrup.
When I did it with Dad, we always had steel wood.
Yeah.
But that's all they give you now. It's plastic.
The cool setup is those are real McCoys.
Look at it. Open already.
So you can leave them there like what, till the middle of April or what?
Yeah. Till it stops running. They say about 6 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can see the syrup's already running into this tree.
Everybody's showing kits in there for the boiling, right?
So this is our second day emptying the buckets. I'd say yesterday we got about the same amount as today, and that's probably 8 liters. So it's enough to start boiling down. We got 1 bottle of syrup yesterday, so we'll take this home and start boiling this down. So we've got our maple water that we tapped. So this is a 5-gallon bucket and we've got about half of that full with our liquid. So we're going to transfer that into a large saucepan. And then this is going to go onto our oven and we're going to bring it up to a boil. So we're just going to let those come to a boil and then continue boiling until they cook down and we get to the right consistency that we want, or sweetness. So we'll check back in a bit. So this is how much liquid we are starting with. And then you'll be able to see how much this reduces down. It takes a lot of this liquid to actually get the maple syrup. This has been reducing for about 3.5 hours. This is what we're down to. I'm just going to put it into a smaller pot. The current temperature reading is 101, done at 104, it's done. So we're just running the maple syrup through a cheesecloth just to remove any impurities. So for 2 days, this is what we have gotten. This is one we just made, so it's hot. This is the one we made yesterday. So I'm going to do a taste test on this one. It's cooled. See, it's nice. Consistency. That's so good. Buckets to get this much?
4. That's how it works. It just shows you what your sugar level is.
Yeah.
So for maple syrup, it's supposed to be between 66.5 and 69.
Okay.
But that one's a little bit less. Of course, that's cold too, so
Yeah.
when it warms up, it changes.
Okay. Very interesting.
Some of your personal belongings to check if there's any residue of any drugs.
It's really not that hard to make this. It just takes a little bit of time. So definitely worth it. But even if you don't make it, I think it helps you appreciate what goes into making maple syrup. So I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.